conversation with a philanthropist and a leading light of the Indian industry. He has 38 years of experience of growing diverse businesses to more than hundreds of crores in numbers. He is currently the Honorary Consul General of the Republic of Mali, a sought after leader, a board member, a speaker, a consultant, and mentor. I could go on the whole day talking about him. Let's welcome Mr. Vikash Mitterson, founding chairman of Nazara Technologies, director of the Gourmet Company, and founder of the Indian Business Group.
Hello, Mr. Vikash. Welcome to our channel, Coco and Mini. It has been an honor to have you with us today.
Thank you.
How do you come up with such amazing ideas?
Nothing better to do, so these just keep popping into my head.
Wow. I think I wish I would have that kind of a mind.
So, sir, being such a great leader, how do you feel when you're leading others? When you're motivating others for their businesses, what does this whole idea coming from?
See, I have learned a lot myself over the years. I've been working for 40 years. And it's time to give back. I thought a couple of years back that, okay, my life is good. How can I make others better? So that is the whole purpose, is to give back, try to suggest people what more they can do, how they can improve. The purpose is basically to give up myself, what I learned over the years, what I got over the years. It's time to give back. So I do it. I love to do it.
That's really nice. And what has been the driving force in your life?
What a question. It's just the zeal to do things better, to go better, to become better. That you can call that as the driving force. And I love to see it when people say, look, our life improved in association with you. Whatever they did with me, if they became better, that is my payback.
So, sir, IBG has been such a great platform. What made you come up with this platform? How did you think about starting this idea?
So IBG is about 8 years old now. Very soon it will be 9 years. I used to be a member of many chambers. And then somebody from Delhi who also used to or still runs a chamber like IBG. Okay. He came to me, he's a good friend. He said, I want you to head the chapter in Bombay, in Maharashtra, their chapter. I really didn't want it, but he sort of forced me. After a few months, I realized this is not working out for me. I didn't like the format and things like that. But then I realized that I already have a team working on that. I have the infrastructure in place.
Right.
Then somebody said, why don't you start your own?
Right.
And that's how IBG came about.
Wow, that's really nice. So we all know the business guru, Mr. Vikash, but today we would like to know the other side of you.
Now, what is the other side?
So, sir, you've been a role model.
No, I am a simple family man.
You have always been a role model for all of us. I want to know who has been your role model.
Oh, you asked me that question. No, I really didn't have a role model.
Okay.
I was just following my own instincts, my own thinking, doing things without really copying anybody.
Right. So, you have such a busy schedule. Do you manage to take a tea break or a coffee break?
So, I like both. My mornings, 4:30, I make and have my coffee. In the morning. In the day, it's tea. And then my last thing again at night is coffee.
So what kind of a tea do you prefer? Do you like the typical masala chai with ginger and everything in it?
Yes, I prefer the masala tea.
That's really nice.
I personally don't like the dip tea.
So if you had to give up either tea or coffee, which would be the beverage that you give up?
Neither.
Neither?
I just need
so you want both of them?
I must have both.
Okay, that's great. So in the world of digital technologies, how would you go one day without the internet? Can you survive without the internet?
I've not tried yet, but not a bad idea.
So, sir, today networking is very important. What is your take on that? Today CEOs, people who are running their own businesses have so much time they can definitely put into networking. So, one advice for people who have not made use of it, what would it be?
So networking is very critical, very important. If you're not networking, I always say you're not working.
Right.
Just sitting in the office and giving some orders or talking on the phone, that is not networking. That is
Correct.
pure work that you just have to do. But when you network, you meet new people, you meet new ideas. I, my way of networking is now, right now, it's not physical, but whenever I went anywhere where there was networking, I used to, in all a crowd of maybe 100 people, I used to network, I used to narrow down to one person
Right.
who I thought was the best value for me. And I spent enough time with that person to have learned, because each person has got something to teach you. You don't know everything, but
Hmm.
aggregately, you can learn a lot.
So one success mantra for our viewers.
Whoever is doing anything, absolutely important to be fully honest. Don't try to pull the wool over anybody's eyes. Be 100% honest first to yourself and then to whomever you're giving anything, whether it's a service, whether it's a product. That is what is going to pay you in the long run. And in the long run, that is what will make you successful. People understand very soon that this fellow promised something and the product didn't live up to it, or he said he will do so and so, he never did it. So that is not the way to grow yourself.
Right.
Growth comes automatically if whoever you're doing anything with, if you are honest, you will grow. Nobody can stop you.
That's really nice. So thank you, Mr. Vikash, for your time. It's been such an inspiring conversation with you and today, Coco and Minnie, for the love of tea and coffee.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
very
much.
much. Thank you.
If you're looking for advice, Mr. Vikash is the go-to person for. He can give you any advice on any kind of business. Whether it's fitness, business, or anything, Mr. Vikash always has a perfect advice for us. So do join IBG. It's an amazing platform, a networking platform to grow your business, grow your network, not only locally, but internationally. See you soon for the love of tea and coffee from Coco and Minnie.